Welcome back to Fab Fun. My name is Logan, and today I'm going to be working on a messed up PTO shaft. Brother-in-law was using it, and I don't know what happened, if the angle was wrong or a previous weld broke, or a combination of both. It did break on a previous weld, so probably a combination of both. I'm going to try to reinforce this a little bit, or he's going to have to buy a new PTO shaft. So let's see what we can accomplish. Hey guys, I lost about 5 minutes of welding video, but I did get the welding done. I wanted to grind off the high spots so I could put the spice plates on and make it a little bit stronger. So here's some video of me grinding. Alright, now I've got to find a piece that's kind of like a, I don't know, a splice plate that I want to put on opposite sides. Don't want to go real big or real heavy. The more weight I add, the more chance of it being off balance, I guess. So I'll try to think of something or come up with something that is not very big, but will give a little bit of strength to that weld. A lot of scrap pieces, tiny pieces, laying around in different spots. And I might just use this. If I can bend that around, it will give it some strength. Pinching a little bit. maybe I'll get to be a blacksmith here. If I beat on this, it's probably gonna pop it out. Most likely. Need something round that I can hit with a hammer really hard. Put this plate over it and shape it. It's about the same size as this to get the right radius. Okay, I'll use it. It's just popping off the clamp. I thought it would. Alrighty. There we go. Not horrible. It's not good, but it's not horrible, and that's really all we're aiming for, is not horrible. I'm not putting this on my tractor. What do I care? Sorry, David, if you're watching. It's gonna work great. You can probably turn this 1,000 RPM. You'll be fine. No shaking. It's not going to wear out any bearings or seal. No problem whatsoever. Not going to pick up a bunch of vibration at high RPM. That's even better. Let's spin this one a little bit more. Gosh, it looks good. Looks awesome. Hope sound's picking up right. Ground. This is probably kind of a bad idea. Adding extra weight to it, it's not gonna be perfectly balanced. But you know what? I'm having fun. It's called Fab Fun, right? So you can see what's going on. That's a perfect radius there. These are not welding gloves. These are polyester with polyurethane on them. Probably not real good to weld in. Let's go up a bit. try welding gloves this time. It's hot. This isn't. That is. It's probably the best it's gonna get. Sure, attack it. Smoking. Let's let it cool off. Too hot to handle. That is probably not a textbook repair. I want to say this will handle 10 to 20 RPM max without any vibration, maybe. You guys want a closer look?